This is Nathan Kotek with Service2Media. Today we have Wim Wedershoven, Head of Product Development, who's going to give us a quick introduction what Service2Media is doing in the field of BlackBerry.
I'm responsible for the scoping and the road mapping of our cross-platform development environment. And what we see is that the importance of BlackBerry in the market is increasing. We see that day to day in the traffic that comes through our platforms, and we see that basically for two reasons. One reason is that our platform is increasingly used for business to enterprise and business to business applications. And secondly, we see that BlackBerry is gaining traction in the consumer market, and hence we see increasing application, increasing traffic on our platforms.
Can you tell us about the combination BlackBerry and Service2Media?
Service2Media is a preferred partner of BlackBerry. We are a member of the BlackBerry partner program. And that means that we have early access to the BlackBerry technology and to the BlackBerry devices, and that means that we can actually prepare our interactive platform well in advance of the new devices coming to the market.
Your platform actually doing?
Okay, well, M2Active is a platform that enables cross-platform development for applications. It covers the full life cycle of the application, and basically what we are trying to do is to create reach for the application, to do that without any compromising of the mobile user experience, and in the process we are trying to cut as many costs out of the full life cycle as is possible.
And I understand BlackBerry is becoming increasingly important.
Absolutely. What we are trying to do is to enable our customers to develop an application once and then deploy it on all the mobile platforms of their choice. And indeed, BlackBerry is one of them.
What does it mean for clients?
It means for clients that they can very early on in the application lifecycle leverage the capabilities of the new BlackBerry operating systems, like the BlackBerry 6. And it also means that they can invest in an application once, and we will take care of upgrading to new releases of BlackBerry, or for that matter, for actually deploying the application on other devices as well. We are supporting BlackBerry for a number of years, basically since the early days of our platform. We take the user experience as a very key starting point for our thinking and for our technology. And we are constantly enhancing the models and the controls that we offer to our application developers. And we now see that BlackBerry is becoming an increasingly important factor. So part of our efforts, part of our R&D is focused on further improving the experience of the BlackBerry applications.
What's on your roadmap when it comes to BlackBerry?
Well, we're looking primarily at BlackBerry 6 at the moment. BlackBerry 6 is announced. We expect the phones in the market in the coming period. And there are a number of very interesting things happening there. One is that BlackBerry has managed to further integrate the user experience into the platform, into the phone, but also made that available for application developers. And we are leveraging that. There is increasing capability to integrate with social media. There is messaging services that we would like to use, push, which is supported on our platform as well. And those are elements that fit very well into the architecture of our platform, and I think it would greatly enhance the user experience of our applications on BlackBerry.
Why should the people that view, why should they have a look at Service2Media when it comes to BlackBerry?
I think that BlackBerry is becoming an increasingly important factor for decision-making processes when it comes to mobile applications. When we talk to our key customers, in the past, they very much looked at the iPhone as a role model. Then that was later topped on by the Android experience. But we now see that BlackBerry is really a factor, both in the business-to-consumer market, but also in the business-to-business and the business-to-enterprise
What
market.
is Service2Media doing when it comes to the Playbook, the new tablet of BlackBerry?
We are very interested in working with Playbook. We're very excited about it. We have been involved in tablet-related application development for a while now, and we really looked at this not from a single product perspective, but we looked at it from a tablet perspective. We see the tablet basically as a new IT paradigm, and this is very well suited for supporting on our platform because we believe that the tablet market will be a fragmented market. It will contain a range of operating systems, some existing operating system, the usual kids on the block, but also new operating systems, and it will exist of separate application development environments. So we believe that Amtractive is very well suited to help our customers be successful in this completely new and very exciting market opportunity for applications.
I can imagine that clients that work already, that actively develop on different platforms, that now the entrance barrier to start to develop on BlackBerry is much lower than before. Is that the case?
Yes, I think that is the case. Our customers, they do observe that tablet applications can be very successful. They can be very complementary to application investments that they have done so far. And yes, it is our ambition to help them leverage that success also to the Playbook, and do that in a fashion that will rationalize their cost of ownership in this market.
So you have different clients where you cover the whole BlackBerry development on your platform. Can you give us some examples?
Yes, sure. We have been working on BlackBerry devices for a while, and maybe I can mention some of the applications we have been working on in the past couple of years. For instance, we have been very intensely involved in project for Reed Elsevier, where the mission was to view scientific information on mobile phones. And of course you can imagine that covering the BlackBerry market segments is very important for Reed Elsevier. And so we could address that requirement from a customer. Another example is the travel market. BlackBerry is very heavily used amongst business users who travel a lot. So we see that the applications we have been creating in the travel market, and we've done that for Dutch Railways, we've done it for the CNN International company. There also we see that BlackBerry is a very important platform.
Great, thank you very much.